bigger and the stronger someone gets, the less I'm going to hold them. I don't want to hold them, okay? I want to find the way to keep them in the advantageous position for me, using as little energy as possible. That's why I'm doing an underhook and a crossface, okay? Now, I told you at the beginning that I don't want to sit in half guard. I have no interest in taking this position and staying there for hours upon hours. I mean, if I have to choose, I'll choose the top for hours and hours. If I had to only choose between those two options, I would choose that top position. But I would rather get to what positions? Mount or cross sides. Okay, so now we're going to look at passing. There are ways to attack from the half guard top here. I want to look at just passing. Michael, come here. I take these grips, okay? And it's funny because I'm going to take these grips and then I'm going to take them away from you right away. I just got to this. This just felt good. So this is initial. It holds them down. It's not bad, okay? But I want to pass, and to pass, I need to free my leg, okay? His knees are above my knee. That is the fundamental thing that I have to solve for, okay? So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to kind of connect to him a little bit more. I'm going to make sure that I'm using my base and my structure to put weight into him. And when I want to pass, I'm usually going to come, take a grip, maybe like this. I will actually probably go even a little higher if I can. But I'm going to take my head to the other side. And I'm going to use my head as the cross face, okay? Michael will tell you, I am pushing into his head. I'm not just here next to him being kind, okay? I'm going to push my head into his head, and if I can connect my hand to my head, I would, okay? Like I was coming to do a salute, I will, okay? From here, I'm going to come along and grab his second arm, pull it up. I want to grab the tricep. And from here, I'm going to start a tripoding action. You can see how my knee slips out. Grab my knee, hold it tight. As I put my head down, as I put weight into his shoulders, it's relatively easy for me to pry my knee out. From here, I can start an action of turning this way. From here, I can start an action of going this way. I have both options available to me, okay? Nice, great, something there, yeah. So, if I do that from here, which is not wrong, and you will learn it this way from a lot of people, the problem is you'll find that I want your hips to travel with me when I go up. Yeah, you see how you can lift up quite a bit? It's hard for me to free that knee. I bring my head over, I block his head, and I bring this up, I steal this arm, okay? Now when he tries to travel up with me, it's very hard, right, Michael? There's a lot more weight in you. And I can pass and take my cross sides, or I could pass and go to mount, okay? Let me do it with someone else so that Michael can see. I'm here and I'm here. If I go straight up with my hips, just follow me. See how he can follow? It's not very hard for him, okay? I want to take away his ability to follow me, all right? My head comes over, and I'm just saluting, okay? But I have a good tight, it's fairly uncomfortable, right, Joshua? Mm-hmm. Yeah, this should be uncomfortable, all right? I'm driving my shoulder into him as I pull this up, okay? Very hard for him to follow at that point when his shoulders get pinned like that, okay? It will be very uncomfortable for the bottom person. It is called the fight game. It is not called the nice game, all right? 1, 2, 3.